Monday, May 20th, 2024. Mary, Mother of the Church. Focus. I was afraid because I was naked and I hid myself. When I do wrong, my conscience is restless. So to pacify it, I will try and justify my wrongdoing. As a result, when I attend confession, I either hide the sin or give a toned down version of it. Sin separates us from God. We may feel discouraged when we sin again and again, or we may even revel in our sin while posing as perfect Christians. But God comes looking for us with His healing grace, so that we may live in His presence in the New Jerusalem. The blood and water that came from Jesus' pierced side is a testimony of the redemption and the new life that He offers to us in union with Him. Jesus on the cross entrusted us to His mother's care. She helps us to respond to His grace. Mary's maternal association with our redemption can be seen right from her Annunciation to the birth of the Church. She continues to assist us in our spiritual growth from heaven. The Church, like Mary, nurtures our Christian life with her teachings and by administering the sacraments. We are called to care for her by helping one another grow in holiness. Fruit. When I fall, I will frequent the sacraments of reconciliation and Eucharist and seek Mary's help.